The Cofl blacklist command can be used to manage the blacklist in-game. To add new entries to the blacklist, we can use the Cofl blacklist add command followed by a search value for an item. This uses the same search as the search bar on the website. For example, we can input aspect of the. We don't have to type it out fully, as the autocomplete will automatically search for matching entries. In this case, I would like to add the aspect of the dragons to the blacklist, and by clicking add, it's added to the blacklist. The easiest way to remove it again from the blacklist would be from the list with the remove button. Now it's removed again. There's also a simpler way to add it, which is the initials, which also adds it to the blacklist just as the other command does. In case I only want to add specific types of aspect of the dragons, I can use filters to further narrow down which kind of aspect of the dragon I want to filter. For example, I could filter for stars equal to 5 or less than 5, which now added the filter to the blacklist. We can also take a look at this with list. Now we have two elements. Because you likely don't know all the filters that exist, there is the Cofl filters command. The Cofl filters command shows you all available filters. There are multiple pages of filters. To get to another page, just input the page number and you will get that page. All filters here have different options and you can see the available options when you hover them. The enchant rune filter, for example, so that's the rune that you can add to items, supports a minimum value of 1 and a maximum value of 3. Some filters like skins only support preset values. You have to type in these values completely currently. To simplify finding filters a bit, you can also input search values into this command, such as the word skin, which will only yield us with skin filters. Besides blacklisting, which prevents items from showing up, we can also whitelist items. It will skip the main filters, such as min profit and max cost, as well as any blacklisted items, and show the item immediately. To use it, just use /Cofl whitelist add something and it will definitely show up. Please only use this for items that you know the value of and are very certain that you want to buy them. In case you want to blacklist all items that have less than 5 stars, just remove the item identifier from the start and it will blacklist all items that have less than 5 stars. This also includes items without any stars, so be cautious when using this. To simplify finding bugs in blacklists, there's this message which tells you that a certain amount of flips were blocked. You can click on this and get the reason why it was blocked. Since I currently didn't have any blacklisted items, none of them is here. In case you want to blacklist something, definitely, and also prevent it from being caught and shown via the whitelist, you can add the force blacklist equals true to an entry to force it to be blacklisted. This overrides the whitelist. So, to recap, the force blacklist is checked first. Anything matching entries which are marked as force blacklist will never be shown. Next, the whitelist is checked. Anything matching the whitelist will instantly be shown. Third, the normal settings are checked, your min profit and max cost. If the flip matches those, it will be lastly checked against the blacklist, and anything matching the blacklist will not be shown. Anything then not matching the blacklist will be shown in your chat. I hope that you learned something from that explanation and wish you a nice day.